Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Today, we have a mail call from Bago. Let's see what we got. So, as I said, we got 2 packages in the mail from Bago. And the first one here are solar garden lights. There's 4 in here, I believe. And I'm going to place them strategically around the garden so that we have light at night and I can look out the house and see what's going on. And when you know it, I left this sitting outside last night and it rained, but these are my new tomato cages. And we have 2 containers that we're going to put them in. So let's get started. So here we have the cages and there's 4 of them. I can use 2 of them together as a A-frame, or I can use 2 of them together as a tower, or I can just use them as a tomato cage. So we're going to go ahead and use 2 of them as tomato cages. It comes with a manual to tell you how to put everything together, and it comes with some zip ties and connectors if you're using it as a A-frame or a tower. So we'll go over to where I want to put these at and put 2 of them together. So the way that this works, it stretches out like so into a square, and well, I'm going to fold it rather into a square like this. Then we take our pole and place it through or guide it through the holes like this. And just like that, we have our cage put together. And I'm going to take this and put it over our little pole that we have here, our makeshift stake, and we're going to put it into the bed like this and press down, and there we have our tomato cage for our beefsteak tomato here. Now we're going to go over to the other one over here and do the same thing. Now, in a previous video recently, you heard me say that I would never use the standard circular tomato cage again because they were too flimsy and weren't worth the money or effort to have. May use them for my bell peppers or other peppers, but never again for tomato plants. And this is what I was referring to. These are a lot more sturdier and they're not going to move. And I'm happy that Bago sent them out to me. Let's go put the lights up. Now, in the smaller box, we have the lights, and we're going to go ahead and open them up. And out of the box, this is what it looks like. And as I said, they are solar charged. So here's the solar panel and has an on-off switch in the back. And these stick magnetically to the bed. And they're waterproof. has a built-in sunlight sensor, and within 6 to 8 hours it'll be fully charged. So I'm going to take 2 of these and put them on my movable raised bed back there. Now here is where I placed the first set, and as you can see, they adhere or stick to the metal and don't have to add any adhesive or anything like that. And the solar panels are up and they will charge and the lights will run. I like the color brown. They come in brown, gray, and green. I'm sorry, black. I'm sorry, they come in gray, brown, and black. And the set that I wanted didn't have a 4-pack in black or gray, so I went with the brown, and it still looks good. I like it. And this is where I place the other 2 here. And what I like about the tomato cages, when they're not in use, they can be folded and stored away easily, as you can see there. So as I said, I'm really happy with Bagel sending out their product to me, and it will definitely be appreciated and used for years to come in the garden. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this quick mail haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you're interested in simple living, homesteading, raising vegetables, and cooking, this is the channel for you. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.